In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix high CPU usage in Google Chrome. So the first thing you need to do is launch up the Google Chrome browser, then click on the three vertical dots in the top right hand side, scroll down to the bottom and select Settings. From the left hand navigation, click on System and make sure Use Graphics Acceleration when available is turned on and enabled like this. And then you'll just need to press relaunch. So once your Google Chrome has launched back up, we're then going to head over to the navigation and click on About Chrome at the bottom of this navigation. And from here, you want to make sure you're running the most up-to-date version of Google Chrome. So usually you'll have a check for updates button over here and it will let you know if your software is up to date. Once you've done that, we're then going to head back over to these three vertical dots, click on Extensions and then select Manage Extensions. So what you need to do here is just go through your list of extensions and disable and remove any that you're not currently using. So I have this Grammarly one here that I'm not using, so I can just click on Remove and select Remove. Once you've disabled as many of these extensions as you can, we're then going to head back over to the three vertical dots, scroll down and select More Tools, and then click Task Manager. Now from here, you just want to go through this list and see where your resources are being allocated. If you do see anything taking up a lot of resources in here, then we can just select it like this and press End Process. Now I do recommend to only end the process of things like the subframes and the extensions. You don't need to end the process of any of these utilities as these are required in order for Google Chrome to work. So I'm just going to end my subframe over here by pressing End Process. And once you've done that, you can then head back over to the Task Manager on your computer and you can check to see if that's fixed your high CPU usage. And it's as simple as that. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.